Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 1 math. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 1 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find the list of the chapters. We're going to start the chapter measurement, and the lessons we're going to cover today are read a thermometer, compare objects length and height, measure using objects, measure using an inch ruler, and which customary unit of length is appropriate. So let's just start with the lesson. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So here I am on the chapter measurement. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is read the thermometer. Let's just start with the first example. What is the temperature? So you can see thermometer looks like this, right? You have a red bar and a white bar. You have to read the temperature where the color changes from red to white, right? So basically from here you need to match this line, right? This line match to 0. That means it is 0 degrees Celsius. Here you are given the unit, right? So C is the unit, so it would be 0 degree Celsius, right? Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, what is the temperature? You have to match the red line. So when you match the red line, it would be 0 degrees Celsius, right? So the correct option is 0. Okay, what is the temperature? Just match the red line where the line is ending. You need to match. That would be 0 degrees Celsius. So 0 degree, here you have F. So it would be 0 degree Fahrenheit, right? Basically, we have two units to measure the temperature, right? One is C, that is Celsius, and the other one is F, that is Fahrenheit, right? Okay, what is the temperature? Which is the correct option? You need to match the line where red is ending. That would be, yes, that is 70 degree Fahrenheit. The correct option is 70. Okay, what is the temperature? So just match this line. So it would be, which is the correct option? Yes, that would be 10 degree Celsius. The correct option is 10 degree Celsius, right? The next one is what is temperature? So which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, that is 30 degree Fahrenheit. The correct option is 30. Okay, what is the temperature? The correct option is yes, that is 0 degree Fahrenheit. The correct option is 0. Okay, what is temperature? Which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, that is 40 degree Celsius. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself. Today reading temperature is very very easy. I think no one have problem to read the temperature. You can match the line to temperature very easily, isn't it? If you anyone have the problem reading temperature, you can ask the question in the chat box, right? Otherwise, I'm going to wait for a while. If someone need to ask a question, please ask. Otherwise, I'm going to move to the new lesson. Any questions? No questions? Okay, let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is compare objects length and height. Okay, so we're going to compare the length and height of different objects. We are given the pictures, you have to see, you can compare them, right? Okay, so let's just start with the first example. Which comb is the shortest? So which is the shortest? You are given two options. You can see the options, which is the shortest. You can see the options, right? Option one or two, you can either write. So option number one is the shortest one, right? Because options are different from the choices, right? So you can just see the options. Yes, that is the first one. Okay, the next one is which is the longest table? So, which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is option number one is the correct option. Got it? Okay, which piece of wood is the longest one? Which is the correct option, one or two? The correct option is option number 1. Option 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is what type, which cactus is the shortest? So, which is the correct option? Option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? Which sword is the longest? Which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, that is option number 1. That is the longest one, right? Zaviar, can you please stop talking? Which sandwich is the shortest? Option number 1 is the shortest one, right? Which pen is the shortest? One, two, three. Which is the correct option? Yes, 1 is the shortest one. Which screwdriver is the shortest? The correct option is option number 1, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So let's just move on to next one. The next one is measure using objects, right? So how do we measure the length of the different objects, right? Use dice to measure the line. You need to see how many dice you can place to measure the line, right? So first place the left end of the one die at the left end of the line, right? Match the left end of the die and the of the line and the die, right? Then you can add more dice without no spaces and no overlaps to the end of the line. So you can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means the length of this line is around about 6 dice long. Got it? That's how you measure using different objects. So length of the line is about 6 dice long. Okay, use paper clips to measure the line. So how many paper clips you can place to this line? The line is about Yes, that is about 2 paper clips long. So the correct option is 2. Okay, use dice to measure the line. The line is about dash dice long, which is the correct option. Only one dice long, right? The correct option is 1. Use the dice to measure the line. The correct option is, I think that would be 6 dice long. The correct option is 6. Okay, use the dice to measure the line, which is the correct option. Yes, that is only one dice long. Can you guys please stop talking? What's wrong with you? Tracy, use paper clips to measure the line, which is the correct option. I think that would be 5 paper clips long. Oh, that is just 3 paper clips long because paper clips are, yes, so long. So that would be 3 paper clips long. We use the dice to measure the line. Please stop writing messages again and again, Tracy. I'm going to block you. The line is about, I think, 7 dice long. 7 or maybe 6. That, okay, yes, that is 6 dice long, right? No, for 11, the line is not that long. Okay, use the paper clips to measure the line. The line is about, I think that's 2 paper clips long. Or maybe 3 paper clips long, not 2. Just 2 paper clips long. Use the dice to measure the line, which is the correct option. I think that would be 6 dice long. Okay, that would be 5 dice long. You can't find the exact answer, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. And the next one is measure using an inch ruler. Okay, so how do we measure the line using inch ruler? You have to match the left corner of the line with the left corner of the ruler, right? Like this. Sorry, ruler, you have to match this with the 0, right? Match the left end of the line to the 0, right? And you can see here from 0 to 3 inches. So the length of this line is 3 inches, right? That's what you simply have to do. You simply have to line up the 0 and the left end of the line. Okay, the line is about dash inches long, which is the correct option. Yes, that is 3 inches. The correct option is 3 inches. Okay, move the ruler to measure the length of the move the ruler to measure the length of the line to the nearest inches. So the line is about, yes, again that would be 3 inches long. The correct option is 3. Move the ruler to measure the length of the line to the nearest inches. The line is about how much inches long? Yes, there is. This line is just 1 inch long. The correct option is 1. Move the ruler to measure the length of the line to the nearest inch. So, which is the correct option? Yes, this one is 2 inches long. Okay, move the ruler to measure the length of the line to the nearest inches. The ruler is about, yes, this is again 3 inches long. Move the ruler to measure the length of the line to the nearest inches. Inch. The line is about how many inches long? Yes, that would be 1 inch long. Move the ruler to measure the length of the line to the nearest inch. So the line is about how many inch long? Yes, that is just 2 inches long, right? The correct option is 2. Move the ruler to measure the length of the line to the nearest inch. So which is the correct option? Yes, that is just 1 inch long, and we are done with this lesson. So let's just move on to next lesson. Isn't it this easy? Okay, the next lesson is which customary unit of length is appropriate? Okay, so you are given, okay, which is a better estimate for the height of a shower head? 6 feet 6 inches, which is the correct option? inch. Inches is a smaller unit, right? Basically, you have to compare here the unit given two units, inches and feet. Feet is a bigger unit, right? So the correct inches, 6 inches. Inches is a small unit, like you can see on the ruler. So that would be 6 feet. That is a shower head. So it would be, but 6 feet is too long. It would be 6 inches. Let's see which is the correct one. Oh, that would be 6 feet because 6 inches is too short for a shovel. Let's just start with the next questions. The next one is, which is a better estimate for the length of a finger? The finger is 2 inch long or 2 feet long. Which is the correct option? So that is the length of a finger, right? It would be 1 feet. No, that would be just 2 inches. You can see your finger. Feet is a big unit, right? Which is a better estimate for the height of a swing set? 7 inches, 7 feet. Yes, that is a swing set, right? So for a swing set, the 7 inches is too small, so it would be 7 feet. Which is a better estimate for the height of a ketchup bottle? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is 1 4 inches too small for a ketchup bottle. Okay, which is a better estimate for the length of a postcard? 5 inches or 5 feet? That would be 5 inches because 5 feet is too long for the postcard. Which is the better estimate for the length of a rack? It would be 5 feet, right? Because 5 inches is too small for a rack. Which is a better estimate for the length of a tennis racket? 27 feet or 27 inches? Which is the correct option? That is 27 feet, 27 inches, because 27 feet is too long. Which is the better estimate for the length of a surfboard? That would be 7 inches. Oh, that is 7 feet. Which is a better estimate for the height of a birthday card? Which is the correct option? A card, so it would be 10 inches. which is a better estimate for the height of a bucket of paint. It would be 1 foot because 1 inch is too small, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, if we were working on grade 1 math, the chapter we were working on is measurement, and the lessons we have covered today are read a thermometer, compare objects' length and height, measure using objects, measure using an inch ruler, and which customary unit of length is appropriate, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9. You can, if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10, right? So if you have any question related to the lesson we just did, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Please ask. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.